Hey y'all, welcome back to Island Vibe Cooking. Today's video I am about to show you guys how to make a copycat from WINGSTOP. Yes, I think I got the recipe. I got the secret recipe. Today I am about to make some garlic parmesan chicken wings. They're so good. They're so easy to make. So if you want to see how it's done, keep on watching. Without further ado, let's make it. Okay guys, we're going to jump right into it. I am going to cut up my chicken. As you guys can see from many of my wings video, I usually cut my chicken the same and nothing changed, you know. Now I clean my chicken with some lime, and this is the chicken. Now I just added a little bit of salt on that chicken, toss it and add another layer of the salt. I didn't add that much, y'all, before someone said, watch your salt. I'm kidding, guys. I just added some cayenne pepper. Now I am going to add some ground black pepper. And next I will be adding garlic powder. Next we will be adding some paprika. Now we need to season both sides. Just give it a toss and then season the other side. I am not going to add the cayenne pepper in the paprika, just the ground black pepper and the garlic. Just sprinkle that all over the chicken, just a light sprinkle, okay? Now I am using my clean hand to mix the chicken with the season. Just make sure all the seasoning is in the chicken, you know. Now moving on, I am using 1 cup of all-purpose flour. I will be adding the same exact seasoning that I added earlier on the chicken. And also I added a little bit of salt in the flour as well. Now we're going to give it a quick mix, but wait, we need to add 1 more seasoning that will make it taste good. I am sprinkling a little bit of Creole seasoning. That will definitely make it taste way better, okay? About a tablespoon, I will say, maybe less. Give that a quick mix as well. Now we're going to give the chicken a light coat of that flour, not too much, okay? Give it a light coat, shake it off, shake the flour off, and put it, you know, on the side. Like I said, a very light coat. You don't want it to be too heavy, the breading to be too heavy on the chicken. So just a very light coat. And shake it off and put it on the side. Alright, now this is how my chicken looks like. Now we're going to fry these, okay? I am frying them right now on 350. I will be frying them for 7 minutes, okay? Only 7 minutes. Once they're done, they should look something like this. I am going to take them out and put them on the side or on a napkin to soak up all the oil. Now we're going to bake these. Yes, for extra crunch, we're going to bake the chicken. I am going to add them in this baking pan right here. Be sure to spray it. I forgot to spray mine, but be sure to spray it. Now we're going to bake these on 350 again for 15 minutes, okay? Now in this saucepan, I added some butter. Once my butter melted, I am going in with some minced garlic and garlic powder. Now, depend on how garlicky you want it, you can add a lot of garlic, okay? Just stir it. And next, I will be adding my cheese. I am going to add my Parmesan cheese. Give it a quick mix. At this point, you should just turn off your stove. By now, your chicken should be nice and ready. I am going to place them in this bowl right here. Ooh, they look good already, right? I know, guys, they look so crispy, but we're not finished yet. Just pour your garlic Parmesan sauce or butter all over that chicken. And give it a toss. Give it a nice toss. All of the chicken can combine with the sauce and the garlic. Yes, yes, you guys. This is it. And of course, I am going to plate this for you guys. This is the garlic Parmesan chicken wings, exactly like WINGSTOP. And there you guys have it. I sprinkled some fresh parsley on top for garnish. And this is it. Nice and crispy, fresh, homemade garlic Parmesan chicken wings. I really truly hope you guys enjoy the recipe. If you did, let me know down below in the comment. Also, give the video a thumbs up for me. If you know someone who loves WINGSTOP Parmesan chicken wings, tell them this video will show them how to make it. Thank you for watching. Be sure you are subscribed and have a good day. Bye.